Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2018 SX16. This is question number 85 of part 2 from the topic polynomials and use of maxima minima I will be doing in this question. Let us see what this question is. The number of polynomials P from R to R satisfying P0 is equal to 0 and Px is greater than x square for all x not equal to 0 and P double dash 0 is equal to 1 by 2 is a0, b1, c more than 1 but finite and d infinite. Now to do this question, let us assume another polynomial qx as px minus x square. Okay, so as we are given this condition, so it has to be greater than 0 for all x that are not equal to 0. Okay, and also q0 will be equal to 0 because we are given p0 as 0 and x square at 0 is 0, so q0 will be 0. Now let us try to find what will be my q double dash x. I think it should be p double dash x minus 2. So q double dash at 0 we can find and it will be 1 upon 2 minus 2, that is minus 3 by 2. Now one very important thing here to understand is that if q0 is 0, okay, if q0 is 0 and it is positive for all x greater than 0 not equal to 0 actually, so it should be having a maxima, it should be having minima at that point 0 like this. Then only this polynomial qx will be such that it is positive for all x not equal to 0. Okay, but you know, for this condition, let me first write this thing once again. So qx should have minima at x is equal to 0, but for that we know we need to have q dash 0 to be equal to 0 and q dash 0 to be positive, but we have q dash 0 equal to minus 3 by 2 which is less than 0, hence there is a contradiction. So there cannot be any polynomial qx which can satisfy this given condition. So there cannot be any polynomial px also which can satisfy this given condition. So answer for this question should be A, that is no polynomial is possible, 0. So this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Bye.